Hey everyone, who doesn't love snow-covered trees, the cosy glow of a fireplace, sparkling fairy lights and a delicious Christmas drink in hand? Well, let's keep this dream alive by making a white Christmas. What do we need for tonight's drink? We need vanilla vodka, creme de cacao, and the star of tonight's cocktail, which is white creme de menthe, which gives it that very frosted, minty flavour. And we need cream, and I'm going to garnish it with a couple of raspberries. I've just got a fresh punnet here and they're gorgeous and plump and very red. Let's get into it. This is a very easy drink to make. It's really 30 mils or 1 ounce of each of these ingredients. So very simple. So all you really need is a shaker. It doesn't have to be a copper shaker, but I just find this is easy if you're just making 1 or 2 drinks. You don't need a strainer, you can just use the lid. And just something to measure it in. I'm using a jigger, so I've got that accurate 30 mils or 1 ounce. So we need 30 mils or 1 ounce of vanilla vodka. And 30 mils or 1 ounce of creme de cacao. $30 mils or 1 ounce of creme de menthe. $30 mils or 1 ounce of thickened cream. So what makes this drink a white Christmas? The creme de menthe gives it the minty taste. The creme de cacao gives it a white chocolate flavour. The vanilla vodka gives it that vanilla notes which are, very easily associated with Christmas. Time to shake. If you hold the bottom, you'll find that it suddenly gets quite cold, and that will mean it's ready to pour. I'm using this strainer as always, as I just find it stops the ice from clogging in the top of the cobbler. And that could not be more white. So let's prepare the raspberries. I'm just going to put 3 on here. And then just put it on the glass like that. Look how beautiful this drink is. Doesn't it look so appealing? And really, look at the colour. It couldn't be more white, and it just reminds me so much of a white Christmas. I live in a place where it's summer at Christmas time and it is extremely hot a lot of the time too. So it is so nice to dream of a white Christmas. And this drink just brings all those beautiful memories back of walking through the snow and, looking at the sparkling lights and ice skating and hot chocolate and rugging up in a cute beanie and scarf and taking sleigh rides and all those really lovely things. What we swap here for that is going to the beach on Christmas Day. Like when I was growing up, Dad would take us down to the beach while Mum was, cooking the turkey, and we'd go for a swim on Christmas morning. That was always the tradition. I don't really do that these days, but I do go swimming in the pool. I try and have a swim sometime on Christmas Day, but usually the morning now I'm the one cooking the turkey, so I'm pretty busy in the kitchen. Let's give this a taste. Oh, that minty, frosty feel. I can almost imagine that if I looked outside, it would be white with snow everywhere. Well, it is a cooler day today. It's kind of rainy as well, so it's a bit miserable, but I'd much rather see snow. Thanks so much for making this cocktail with me. I'm sure you won't be sorry. It is really delicious and just will evoke all the wonderful feelings of Christmas and the festive season. Cheers, and I'll see you next week for another cocktail.